That's a disgusting sound. Good intro, right? Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Recap Monday. I'm SB Mitch. Here's my social media info. You can give me a follow there. You can subscribe to the channel. You can turn on notifications. You could do none of that stuff. Just watch this video. Be like, wow, this dude is super weird. It makes me extremely uncomfortable. How do you think I feel? And then leave. And things will remain the same for you. Hello, pals. I took last Monday off because I had a lot of stuff going on, but we are recapping a box. Today we are going back to October what? October 9th, 2020, just a little bit over a month ago. Oh, exactly a month ago, actually. And we're gonna recap this $850 Sole Supremacy beater box. This box was opened on September 11th, so a little bit under a month before the video went live, but I think only 2 pairs sold before the actual video. This 7-pair beater box filled with Sasquatch sizes was pretty much what I would consider the perfect box. They were all extremely easy to move, and I got pretty lucky finding buyers for some of the pairs. And you'll also notice during the video, like the flashback video thing, whatever, I'm putting up how much they sold for and what platform they sold for. So pay attention to that if that's something you're interested in, I guess. Cause it's for you. You guys asked for it, and I want to make this video, I want to make this series as informative and fun for you as possible. So let's go back to last month and check out this $850 Sole Supremacy beater box. It's only a size 10.5. So it says it's a 997H. It's a New Balance. This is a really nice colorway. I mean, it's real simple. We got a size 13 Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. Nice. These are worn. Good shape though. This is probably the 2018 shoe of the year. It's the retro of the black cement 3s with the original Nike Air on the heel tab. Looks like another 3 actually. It's a size 12 Air Jordan 3 Retro. First time seeing these in hand. Got some MOCHA 3s. These were on like huge deep discount sale for a really long time. I don't know why. So these are super lightly worn, but my gosh. They're in very close to dead stock shape. Pair of zebras. Look at these outsoles. Very, very clean. So they're worn, but they're in good shape. This is the SAILI Air Force One and the Travis Scott collaboration. These are in really great shape. I mean, got a size 13 Jordan 1 Retro. So this is the white pair from the Yin Yang release or whatever. There's a black one that's with a white swoosh, and then there's this white with a black swoosh. It's another size 13 Jordan 1 Retro High. This is another simple colorway. This is the Midnight Metallic Navy, whatever you call it, Jordan 1. This came out in like 2016 or 17. It's ridiculous how good this box is. So as you saw in the flashback video, whatever, it's not really a flashback. Ugh. All the pairs sold on 3 different platforms. 4 of them sold on GOAT, 1 sold on the website, and 2 of them actually sold on Twitter to my buddy D-Block. That's why they sold before the video actually went out. Not surprisingly, the last pair that sold were the zebras and Adidas, taking longer than everything else to sell. What? But they sold on October 26th. So that puts this box at, let's say about 3 weeks to move. So that, for me, is extremely fast. So that's another factor into why this box was so good. The estimated market value of the entire box was $1,825, which left us with a difference of $965. Now, using the handy if they sold on GOAT thing that I do, that left us with an estimated net of $814.01, or a potential ROI of 94.65%, which just does not happen in real life ever. So now after tallying up all these sold for prices, that puts us at $1,839 before taking out the actual cost of the box, shipping costs, and fees. And that number ends up being $753.47, or an actual return on investment of a staggering 87.61%, which is still within 10 percentage points of the estimated one, but still unbelievable. Redonkulous. That's not even a word, and I'm using it. Now, in my opinion, there are 2 specific reasons why this happened. Reason number 1, The models. I mean, the shoes that were in this box were really good. There were Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, the Travis Scott Air Force 1s, and then a New Balance. Even the New Balance was like a nice New Balance. Most of the Jordans were like OG models and OG colors, but the rest of them were still like versatile colorways that are easy to wear if you care about posting fit pics on Instagram, I guess. Reason number 2, and I cannot confirm this, but this is just going based on information that I have from previous boxes, sizing. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that Sole Supremacy places lower market value on bigger sizes, and those sizes being like 11 plus. The only reason I can say that is because in previous boxes that I've gotten, it seems like bigger sizes just have a lower value on their end. I don't know why. I mean, the smallest pair in this box were those New Balance, and those were a 10.5. They still sold pretty quickly, but most of the pairs were like size 12 to 13. And so going by previous boxes, that means this box cost less. So, I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it. Now, I mean, of course there's reasons like the fact that I have a stupid YouTube channel and a website that plays into it. But even both of those didn't have a huge impact on why this box was so successful. I think literally any idiot could make good money on this box. So when I say that this box is absolutely perfect, I'm speaking perfect for me, because the amount of effort that went into this box was minimal. And I love being lazy, so that's why this box was so good. Short and sweet, guys, that box was just awesome. It's probably the best box I've ever gotten in terms of movability, return on investment, and just, I don't know, overall. It's just crazy to me. So I hope the sold for prices thing in the video worked out for you. If it didn't, let me know and I can try and figure out a different way, but I thought it was a pretty cool idea, and that's your idea, so thank you. And thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I hope you had a really good weekend. I hope you have a good week ahead. So until next time, remember to take care of each other and to make sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun, okay? Bye!